Every great harvest starts with a tiny seed. Right now, these little plants are just beginning their journey. But before they can thrive in the greenhouse, we need to prepare their future home. My name is Rita, and for the past few years, my family and I have been committed to growing as many of our own vegetables as possible. We realized it's one of the most rewarding feelings, being able to harvest and cook with fresh food that we've grown ourselves. Before getting our hands in the soil, we take a moment to plan for the season. We sit down and make a list of all the vegetables we want to grow this year. There's something exciting about this moment, imagining the greenhouse bursting with fresh greens, vibrant tomatoes, and crisp salads. It's the first step in turning ideas into reality. And every spring, before we can enjoy the fruits of our labor, there's a crucial step: preparing the land. Winter leaves its mark. Wild weeds take over, the soil compacts, and remnants of the last season's efforts are scattered across the greenhouse. But this is part of the cycle, part of the story that unfolds every year. The land rests, and then, with a little effort, we wake it up again. The first step is to clean up the space, pulling up the weeds and making room for new life. There's something symbolic in it, like letting go of the old to make space for something fresh and full of potential. Once the land is clear, it's time to prepare the soil, loosening it, aerating it, making sure it can breathe. Good soil is the foundation of everything. Rich, full of nutrients, ready to support life. This is the moment I love most, seeing the soil come to life, knowing that soon tiny seeds will take root and grow into something real, something that will nourish us. Gardening isn't just about planting, it's about patience and trust. You put in the work now, knowing that in a few months your efforts will feed you. To give our plants the best start, We always add fresh soil and well-aged manure. This enriches the beds, providing the nutrients they need to grow strong and healthy. Good soil is the key to a thriving garden, and a little extra care now will make all the difference in the months ahead. There it is, the greenhouse, ready for a new season. The hardest part is done, and the most exciting part is about to begin. Now it's time to plant. Some seeds go straight into the garden beds, settling into their new home in the rich soil. Others, like pumpkins and cucumbers, start in small biodegradable pots, giving them a strong beginning before they are moved into the earth. With each seed we plant, we're not just growing food, we're cultivating something much deeper, a connection to the earth, to time, to the rhythm of life itself. And now, the real magic begins. In a few weeks, this greenhouse will be full of life. This is how it starts, year after year. And every time, it feels just as rewarding as the first.